In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download VN Editor app on laptop. Since VN Video Editor is only officially available on mobile, you can use BlueStacks. Firstly, visit bluestacks.com and click Download. Open the downloaded file and extract it. Then run the installer and follow the setup instructions to install BlueStacks. Now log in with your Google account. Open Play Store and search for VN Editor. Then click Install and wait for the download to complete. When VN opens, click Allow to give access to media and files. This is essential for importing videos or exporting projects. Use Media Manager inside BlueStacks to import footage or VN project files from your Windows computer and export finished videos back to your PC. Also, use Project Sharing in VN to move projects between Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.